Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a blog website for affiliate marketing for free. The affiliate marketing offer that I will be using for this example is Amazon Affiliate Program. And the platform that we'll be using to create our website for free is none other than Wix Website Builder. With Wix Website Builder, you'll be able to get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. Then from there, you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have selected Get Started, you will be redirected to the sign up page. You can choose to sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook account or with your Apple account. So you can select any one of these options. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page like this, and you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Then from there, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After you have done that, all I want you to do right here is you can simply tap on the search bar, and from there you could type in blog. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Continue. Then you'll be redirected to your new Wix dashboard. On your Wix dashboard, the first thing you're going to do is name your site. So I'm just going to call it Test Affiliate. So I'm going to label it real quick, as you can see there. Then you'll tap on Continue. And from here, you can choose your site goals. So for example, I'll be selling products and I'll also be building a community. Then you're going to tap on Continue. And from there, you can select the apps that you like to add. You're definitely going to need to add the blog app, and if you would like to add your Instagram feed so you can display pictures from Instagram, you could do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue, then tap on Continue to Dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to select Blog. After selecting Blog, you're going to tap on Create Post. Once you have selected Create Post, you can create your first blog article, or you could tap on AI Tools from the bottom left-hand corner, then tap on Blog Post. After selecting Blog Post, from here you could type in what type of article you would like the Wix AI to create. So for example, let's say I would like them to write an article about the top reasons to use a saw. So top reasons to use a saw. Let me do that. Write an article on the top reasons to use a saw. Then you will tap on Next. After you have done that, you can choose your target audience and you can choose the keyword for the SEO. So my keyword will be saw use. That will be my keyword. Then from there you can select your target audience. So let's say general. Post type, whether you like a listicle, a how-to, personal, editorial, or other. I'm going to select listicle. Then you can select the amount of words. So let's say 1000 words. And you're going to tap on Create Post. After you have selected Create Post, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes the article. While it is composing the article, what I would recommend you do is you go onto the affiliate platform that you're planning to use. So as I said, my example will be Amazon, but whichever affiliate offer you plan on promoting, you're going to find that affiliate offer. And let's say, for example, this saw right here, all you'll need to do is collect your affiliate link. But you first need to gather enough information about that particular product, and you want to ensure that it is a good product or service that you're planning to promote. So with Amazon, you will be able to find out that type of information by scrolling down and reading the customer reviews right here. Once the product is to your liking, with Amazon, you can get the product pic by simply tapping on the product picture. You could right click and then tap on Save Image. After you have done that, you can save the image right there. And a lot of the time, they also offer videos that you can use. Once you have gotten the photos, you're going to tap on Get Link in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you can copy your affiliate link. So once someone clicks on this link and goes onto Amazon, I'll be able to get a commission if they were to complete a purchase. So you can see right here, they have now created an article, as you can see right there. Now all I would recommend you do is you're going to tap right here at the top, right below the text. So you can tap right there. Let me do that. After you have added a space, you're going to tap on the plus, and I'm going to be adding my image. And again, this is just a rough example, so I would recommend that you reread the article and so on, that it is up to your liking. Tap on upload media, then I'm going to tap on upload from computer, and I would simply add the affiliate product that I would like to promote. So I'm going to add that product, then I'm going to tap on add to page. After you have added the product to the page, as you can see right here, I would recommend that you make it clickable. So you're going to select the picture, then tap on link, and from here you're going to simply paste in your affiliate link. Then you can tap on save, and I would also recommend that you add link to different places during the article. So for example, I will add it right here also for SAW. So we'll select SAW, tap on the link icon and paste in the link right there, then tap on save. And you can scroll down and you can make other items, whether other pictures or other text, clickable by simply selecting the pic, then tapping on the link right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you can see right here it has now been published. All you'll need to do is we'll tap on maybe later, then we're going to tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Then select design site in the top right hand corner, and from here you're going to choose your theme. So you're going to tap on right where you see customize a template right here. You're going to tap on that to pick a template, and I would normally recommend one of the best matches, but you can scroll down until you see a particular template that you like. So let's say for example this one. I'll tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you will now be able to edit the appearance of your website, so you can change up how it looks. But one of the standout features when it comes onto Wix website builder is even the basic website like this will look professional compared to other platforms, which is why I recommend this platform for anyone. Whether you're a complete beginner just looking to get started, or you have experience with creating website, this is definitely the best website builder. So you can see how it looks right here, and this is a picture from the article that we had created, so you can see it right there. And you can go through and you can edit each section. So if I wanted to change the name in the top left hand corner, I could tap on quick edit. Then from there I could change the name by tapping on the name right here. I could change the name real quick, as you can see there. You can also change the paragraph right there. So let's say for example best SAW, and you can simply go back and you can change each section. So if I wanted to change this image, I can hover over the image, tap on quick edit. After I've done that, I could tap on change, then select image. After you have selected image, from here you can choose to either upload an image, so I'll do that real quick, or you can choose one of the copyright free images if you want. So I'll tap on side files, and I'm just going to be adding a picture of the SAW as the background, as you can see right there. Then when it comes onto the text, if you would like to change the text, you can do that. And if it is a case that you would like to add background or so onto the text, you can do that also by simply selecting the text. I could tap on edit text right there. After doing that, from there you can see the different options. So I could highlight it, I could add color. Let's say I wanted to highlight it. You can see the different color options that I could highlight it with, as you can see right here. So there are numerous ways you can customize the appearance of your website. Let's say I were to use that one, you can see how it looks. And anything at all that you like to add on your website and you don't see, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on the plus that says add elements, and you will see the different elements that you can add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Your website will now be live. So you can see how my website looks right here. And if they were to tap on the blog pick, as you can see right here, it will redirect them to my blog, and you can see how it looks. And if they were to tap on the link, they'll be redirected to my affiliate offer. And all of this is completely free. Thank you for watching.